What is the Marshall trap in chess? And let's go through it right quick. We're going to start off in the Petrov defense. Knight takes e5, d6, knight f3, knight captures e4, d4, d5. Then we got bishop d3, bishop d6, castle kingside, c4, bishop g4, c takes d5, f5, and then after rook e1, the worst move of the position, bishop captures on h2. If king captures on h2, then we can take this pawn. On f2, queen moves to e2, capture this bishop. If queen captures knight on d3, we can capture this knight on f3. Pawn captures on f3. If they capture that bishop back, then we have queen h4 checking the king, and we get a free rook on e1, and that is the Marshall trap in chess.